Keep in mind, I think that you're still secretly in love with Joe.
All right, I think on to the next dress.
My name is Jill. I'm 32 years old. I'm an account manager for a social media company. My dad was a diplomat, so I got to grow up in numerous different countries. I'm really excited to be planning my wedding.
Wow, you guys are a lovely group of people.
My fiance is Andrew. We have the same core values, but we are completely different personalities. So we're actually getting married in the Riviera Maya in Mexico.
You brought your hubby?
No. This is one of my best guy friends. Gary and I dated many moons ago. Then we became roommates, but we've been best friends ever since.
What are you looking for in a dress?
Sweetheart A-line and no bling and nothing. So kind of like
simple.
Simple girl who doesn't like to attract attention.
Obviously.
Jill won't be happy unless it's really out of this world. Something that most brides potentially wouldn't take the chance of wearing. That's what Jill's gonna be wearing on her wedding day.
Jill has a $5,000 budget and a really high taste level. She wants great silhouettes and not a lot of bling. She trusts that she will show off the dress, and that's a great attitude.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Clamped in.
I'm definitely clamped in. I love it. No, seriously, this is really like what you see on top of like a, you know, those cakes.
Oh, it's a cake topping
yeah,
dress
it's definitely
for sure.
a cake.
Wow.
That is some...
Look at the drink.
I don't know what's more striking, the dress, the tan lines, but fantastic. Incredible.
It is a little bit too much for destination, but it is kind of cute, princessy.
It's gorgeous.
really is.
I don't like the detailing in the front.
Yeah, the detailing makes
just
it
little
look
Halloween
really
costume.
old.
Interesting. We've got old and costumey.
See, I disagree with them. I think it's really elegant and nice, I gotta tell
But
you.
you say that about every dress.
I do say that about every
You're
dress.
gonna say
but-
that the next one too.
Keep in mind, I think that you're still secretly in love with Joe, but it's all right.
Some people might look at it and say, Gary, you must feel weird about it because maybe that could have been you with her. But believe me, I didn't want that. And the way I see it is I dodged a massive bullet here.
Is there history there?
Well, a little bit.
Yeah, who's my best guy friend? I dated like 7 years ago.
Do you know what? It's really common for brides to bring in their ex-boyfriends to help them choose wedding dresses. Oh wait, no, it's not. Never happens. It's kind of weird.
Did you guys actually live together, or?
It was more like a squatting situation where she stayed way too long. But
All
we're
right,
good
I
with it
think
now.
on to the next dress.
Wow.
His reaction, that's cute. What do you think, no?
It looks really cheap.
Cheap, really?
I really like it. I like the flowers. I like the simple lines.
I like it a lot, actually.
It just
This is
looks
a
like
great
something
dress,
you
though.
could wear to a black tie almost. If it's
Yeah.
different color.
It's not my special day kind of a
yeah.
look.
What if there's a bit of bling? There you go.
Eh?
Now, that's a whole new look right there.
Yeah.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
They are eyeing this.
Yes. That's the bizarre one. She's sitting down like this in the
Yeah.
picture. I love
Do you want to
that
put it on and sit down in it then?
one. Yes, please.
Jill, that's gorgeous on you.
You can get a blush veil, which I think might be overwhelming, actually.
It's amazing what a veil does.
I know.
It's gonna bring a tear to my eye.
Gary is loving Jill in this dress.
I feel that he still holds a secret love for Jill.
Gary's opinion matters because he's known me for such a long time and he just knows me in a different way than the girls do.
Not strange at all for me. I'm just glad to be here as her friend.
I think it's super cool that Gary's here to support Jill. What I do find odd is that Linda's here. Linda actually had dated Andrew before.
But you know, it just makes me realize that white does suit my face.
That dress
Yeah.
in white would be nice, yeah.
Only thing about this dress is the color. I feel it might be fleshing me out. I just don't know if it's in white. The white really makes me pop.
Here's the problem. Jill looks great in this blush dress, but the sample only comes in blush, and we have the only one in the city. To see the dress in white, Jill has to order it and pay for it, sight unseen.
There's no bigger stress than doing a purchase without knowing exactly what the final product looked like. I love the double colors on the tulle. The white's not gonna have the same effect. Like, I'm really freaking out. I just love this dress.
A lot of the details of this dress are in the color, right?
Yeah, I
so
know.
there's something to be said about that. By show of hands then, who is on team blush?
Team Black.
Who's on team white then? Okay. Well, the question is, who do you like more? I mean, what dress do you like more?
It's like, your pose.
I don't think
That is like now your signature pose.
that will still look awesome white, and you can still do that pose, and it'll still be fun.
Yeah.
I got bad news, Linda. I'm wavering on this. I really am.
So how do you feel?
There's
How do you
mutiny.
feel?
There's a mutiny.
Yeah, I think so. It's happening.
Now Gary's on Team Blush. Really? Come on. It was kind of an even split. Now it's just getting even more confusing.
Okay, let's see the veil. See, I want you in a veil too.
Yeah.
The veil looks amazing.
Do a little swish, one more swish.
One more swish. Yeah.
Love it.
Is it your perfect dress?
Yes. Celebrate with you. I'm going with the sherbet. That's it. I think it's just gonna look fantastic, really stand out. It's gonna be one of those things people are gonna definitely remember.
Champagne.
Thank you. Congratulations.
I'm so excited to be walking down the aisle with this absolute perfect dress.